Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 8, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. Yes, my fellow teachers, this is lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, under the title of Reading and Writing. Before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about write a short essay on my country. I hope you may remember that. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are use the reading text as models for their own writing. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 23, if you are in any doubt whether it is we who have revealed this book to our servant, then produce just a surah like it and call all your supporters and seek in it the supporter of all others save Allah. Accomplish this if you are truthful. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala giving challenge to the disbelievers who don't believe on Al-Quran, that if you don't have belief, because there was conception that this surah, this Al-Quran is made by any human, so Allah was giving challenge that if you are truthful, so make a single surah like it. Yes, pre-reading questions are there. What is a biography? Who is the famous person you admire the most? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video and get answer from your students and then come back. Excellent work. I hope you have done it. Yes, what is a biography? A biography, or simply bio, is a detailed description of a person's life. It involves more than just basic facts like education, work, relationships, and death. It portrays a person's experience of these life events. Yes, my dear students, what is a biography? A biography is a detailed description of a person's life, and that when up in this that the narrator is an other person and he involves all the details like related with education, its work, and his relationships and till death, and what he did in his whole life. That whole process is called a biography. You can judge here that a biography tells about a real person's life. Real person's life means, my dear students, it's not depends on imagination. It is a personal, real experience of a person. So what we can see in biography, where did they live? Its facts, truths, why they are important, what they did in their complete life, and usually famous. Why they are famous? When were they born? Their date of birth, what did they do, and what they have done in their whole life, and why they are so important that a person can narrate that in the shape of a biography. Yes, what is admire? Admire someone is to look up to someone with respect because of who they are and what they do. Yes, my dear students, what is admiration? Admire is that we can admire anyone. We can admire our parents also because they are also our role models. We can admire our teachers because they are also our role models and they are giving us many things and new experience, new ways, new things to survive in the society. So we can admire any role model due to his, her work. Yes, let's have activity time. Yes, my dear teachers, get students into groups and give them tasks to read out the text given in book page number 77. After getting information, each group will discuss the text in front of class. Yes, my dear teachers, this is activity for your class, and perform this activity in your class. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. This is that paragraph on question number 11 that your students will read and they will collect ideas. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. I hope you have done it. Excellent job. So, what's our today homework? Our today homework is write question number 12 given on page number 77 in your notebooks. Yes, my dear students, this is your today's homework. Then you will write question number 11, 12. Express your opinion on the following topic. As you know that, my dear student, opinion is a personal thought that we can think, what we can feel about anyone. So this is called our personal opinion, and opinion can be changed. It usually not a fact. Yes, so what's our, this is, yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet links, and these worksheet links are given below into the description box. Click it, download it, and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have done today? Today we got knowledge how we can give information about a role model after reading his, her biography. We also learned to admire and express our opinion on any topic. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO. Use the reading text as models for their own writing. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So with a new lecture tomorrow, see you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.